Hey everyone, welcome to English with Tuna. I'm so glad you're here today because we're going to talk about something that brings joy, excitement, and adventure to so many people around the world. Yes, today's topic is summer. When you hear the word summer, what comes to your mind first? Is it the bright sun shining high in the sky? The sound of waves crashing on the shore? The smell of barbecue in the air? Or maybe it's the laughter of children playing outside, free from school for a few months. For me, summer is a season that represents warmth, freedom, and happiness. It's a time when people slow down a little, enjoy the simple pleasures of life, and make memories that last forever. Summer is one of the 4 seasons that we experience each year. It usually comes after spring and before autumn. In many parts of the world, summer is the hottest time of the year. The days are longer, the nights are shorter, and the sun seems to stay with us until late in the evening. When summer arrives, nature seems to come alive. The trees are full of green leaves, flowers bloom in every color imaginable, and animals are more active. People feel that energy too. There's something about the warm weather that makes us want to go outside, explore new places, and enjoy the world around us. In the Northern Hemisphere, summer usually starts in June and ends in September. In the Southern Hemisphere, it's the opposite. It runs from December to March. So, while people in Europe or North America are enjoying the sunshine in July, those in Australia or Argentina are in the middle of winter. That's one of the interesting things about our planet. The seasons are different depending on where you are. But no matter where you are, summer is special in its own way. One of the things people love most about summer is the chance to spend more time outdoors. Imagine walking along the beach, feeling the soft sand under your feet, listening to the sound of the waves, and breathing in the fresh, salty air. Picture yourself lying on a towel, the sun warming your skin, and maybe a gentle breeze keeping you cool. Many people love to swim in the ocean, surf the waves, or simply float and relax. For children, the beach is like a giant playground where they can build sandcastles, collect seashells, and play games. But the beach isn't the only place people enjoy during summer. Parks become lively with people having picnics, playing sports, or just sitting under a tree with a good book. Lakes, rivers, and swimming pools are popular spots to cool down on hot days. Some people prefer to head to the mountains, where the air is fresher and the views are breathtaking. Hiking, camping, fishing, these are activities that many families enjoy during the summer months. Food also plays a big role in how we experience summer. When the weather is warm, people often fire up the barbecue and cook outside. The smell of grilled burgers, hot dogs, and vegetables fills the air, making mouths water. Fresh fruits like watermelons, strawberries, peaches, and cherries are in season and taste extra sweet and juicy. Cold drinks like lemonade, iced tea, and fruit smoothies help keep us cool. And of course, who can forget ice cream? Whether it's in a cone, a cup, or on a stick, ice cream is the ultimate summer treat that brings smiles to faces of all ages. Summer is also a time for travel and adventure. Many people take vacations during this season. Some choose to visit famous tourist destinations, while others prefer to discover hidden gems close to home. The important thing is to take a break from the usual routine, see new places, and experience new things. Traveling in summer often means long road trips with the windows down and music playing loud. It means trying new foods, meeting new people, and collecting stories to tell when you return. Different cultures celebrate summer in different ways. In Japan, for example, summer is a season of festivals with fireworks lighting up the night sky and people wearing colorful traditional clothes called yukata. In Spain, summer is filled with outdoor parties, dances, and the famous running of the bulls in Pamplona. In the United States, the 4th of July is a major summer celebration with parades, barbecues, and fireworks. No matter where you are, summer is a time when communities come together to enjoy life. Of course, summer isn't always perfect. In some places, the heat can be intense, making it important to stay hydrated and protect your skin from the sun. People wear hats, sunglasses, and sunscreen to stay safe. Sometimes there are sudden storms that bring rain and thunder, offering a welcome break from the heat. And yes, there are also mosquitoes that seem to love summer as much as we do. But even with these small challenges, most people would agree that summer is a wonderful season. When I think back to my own summers as a child, I remembered long afternoons riding my bike with friends, playing games until the sun went down, and the simple joy of eating a popsicle on a hot day. I remember family trips to the beach, building sandcastles that the waves would eventually wash away, and staying up late to watch shooting stars in the night sky. These are the memories that stay with us, that remind us of the happiness that summer brings. For students, summer means a break from school. No classes, no homework, no tests. It's a time to rest, recharge, and enjoy the freedom of doing what you want. Some students join summer camps where they can learn new skills, make friends, and have fun. Others use the time to travel, volunteer, or take up a new hobby. Whatever they choose, summer is a chance to grow in ways that aren't always possible during the busy school year. For adults, summer can also be a chance to slow down and focus on what really matters. Many people use their vacation time to reconnect with family, spend quality time with loved ones, or simply relax and unwind. There's something about the warm weather that invites us to take a deep breath, enjoy the moment, and appreciate the beauty around us. Language learners can also make summer their season of growth. Imagine taking a trip to an English-speaking country and practicing your skills with native speakers. Or maybe you stay at home, but join an online summer course to improve your English. Even something as simple as listening to a podcast like this one while you relax in the sun can help you learn and grow. One of the best parts of summer is that it inspires us to be more active. People go jogging in the morning, take yoga classes in the park, or join local sports teams. The longer days give us more time to enjoy these activities. And when the day ends, there's nothing quite like watching the sunset, feeling the warmth of the evening, and knowing that you made the most of your time. Summer also teaches us to appreciate the small things. The sound of birds singing early in the morning, the feel of grass under your feet, the taste of fresh fruit picked straight from the tree, the way the world seems brighter and more colorful. These moments remind us to slow down and enjoy life's simple pleasures. As this episode comes to a close, I want you to think about what summer means to you. Is it a season of adventure, relaxation, or perhaps a little bit of both? What are your favorite summer memories? What do you look forward to each year when summer arrives? I hope today's talk has helped you practice your English listening skills and given you some new words and ideas to think about. And I hope it inspires you to make the most of your summer, wherever you are in the world. Thank you so much for listening to English with Tuna. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to follow the podcast so you never miss a new one. And if you want to support the show, share it with a friend who's also learning English. Until next time, enjoy the sunshine, stay safe, and keep practicing your English every day. See you soon.